Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to access Samsung TV Plus on your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually access Samsung TV Plus? Now the way to do this is that if you click on your home icon on your remote right over here and then click on Samsung TV Plus, it should be one of the default apps that are included with your Samsung Smart TV. So if you click on Samsung TV Plus, this is going to take you to all these free channels that are available to your Samsung Smart TV. So as you can see right now I'm playing a Storage Wars TV show, but if I want to go ahead and navigate, I can navigate to live TV, I can navigate to on-demand TV shows and movies, I can also navigate to different music. And so with this, all of this is free, which is included with your Samsung Smart TV. So in case you're wondering if you have to pay for Samsung TV Plus, you do not. And what's really cool about it is that they include a variety of different on-demand TV shows and movies. And they also include a variety of different live TV shows based on certain TV shows. So check it out for yourself. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and access Samsung TV Plus on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.